filter only and filter exclude in Ultorg 1.8. So suppose we have a database query and we want to add a filter. The general way to do this is to open this filter pop-up on the relevant column and pick a couple of values. That's great, but there's a shortcut now. If you can already see the value that you want to filter on the screen, like Studio here, you just right-click that cell, and now you have these new actions, filter only or filter exclude. So if I click filter only, for instance, or the keyboard shortcut, I will see only courses for which there is a section of type Studio. Or I could do only lectures, so I right-click lecture and I say filter only lecture. Now we are seeing only courses and their lecture type sections. Or suppose I have a query where we are counting the number of meetings and we are grouping by room numbers, so we want to see the rooms with the highest number of meetings. And then we discover that, oh, actually the top room number is the empty string. So basically a bunch of courses have no room number assigned. Maybe we want to exclude that. So I right-click the empty string cell and filter exclude empty string. So that way I didn't have to go all the way into the filter toolbox and go, select all, uncheck empty, etc. So it's a little shortcut, but it's going to be very useful. It works in all the kinds of situations. Like here you have this like compact join visualization where a single primitive cell is shown with the first name, last name, middle name of an instructor. Works the same way. Right-click Michael Littman and say filter only Michael Littman. Now we're seeing only lectures by Michael Littman. Here's another case with a crosstab layout where I can do the same thing in the crosstab header to exclude canceled sections in the crosstab. So I get 2 crosstab columns instead of 3. So that's a shortcut in Ultorg 1.8.0, which is available now.